Hello students, today you will learn about freeze panes. Freeze panes is a very useful feature in Microsoft Excel, and we use freeze panes in case if we have a large data. Now currently I have a large data here, so these are very large data. So these are very large data. So freeze panes, the role of freeze panes or the function of freeze panes, it freeze top row. Here is the top row, and it freeze the first column because I have a very large data. But whenever I scroll vertically, so the first row is also disappearing. Now let's see. Now I am scrolling vertically, so this row is gonna be disappear. For example, now I'm scrolling vertically, so as you see that the first row disappeared. Now if I scroll horizontally from left to right, the first column disappear. Let's see if I scrolling from left to right. If I scroll horizontally from left to right, so this column will be disappear. For example, I'm going to scroll horizontally from left to right. So as you see, the first column disappeared. So I want to keep this first row and first column visible. So to make this possible, freeze pane feature is useful in this current situation. So I have three options here. First of all, click on freeze panes under view tab. You have three options here: freeze panes, freeze top row, freeze first column. If you select this first row, if you select this first option, freeze pane, so it will freeze rows and columns or keep rows and columns while the rest of the worksheet scrolled. It will freeze first row, it will freeze first row and first column. If you select second option, freeze top row, it will only freeze top row. Here is the top row. If you select first column, freeze first column, keep the first column visible while scrolling through the rest of the worksheet. It will freeze first column. So I want to freeze the first row and first column both at the same time. To make this possible, first of all, click on freeze panes, then select freeze panes. Now the first row and the first column is freezed. Now let's check. For example, if I scroll horizontally or if I scroll vertically, so if I scroll vertically, this first column will not disappear. Now let's check. As you notice that the first column, movie title, release date, genre, director, cast, the first row is not disappearing. So that's the beauty of freeze panes. Now if I check the first column, now I'm going to horizontally scroll from left to right. Now I'm going to horizontally scroll from left to right. Now check it. As you see that the first column is freezed. Now I can easily see the first column now while I am scrolling horizontally from left to right. So the first column is freeze or the row is also freeze. First row is freeze and the first column is freeze. Here is the first row and here is the first column. So the first row is freeze. Let's see. Yes, the first row is freeze. Now let's check the first column again. The first column is also freezed. Now let's click on unfreeze pane. Now I want to freeze only top row. I want to freeze only top row or first row of this Microsoft Excel workbook. Now select on freeze panes, then select freeze top row. Now this top row, movie title, release date, genre, director, this top row is freezed because I only freezed top row. Top row is freezed, but first column, or column A of this worksheet is not freezed. As you see, the first column is not freezed. Now as soon as I scroll horizontally from left to right, the first column disappear. But as soon as I scroll vertically, top to bottom, the first row is disappear because I select this option freeze top row only. Now click on unfreeze panes. Now this time I want to freeze top row only. Sorry, this time I want to freeze top column only. So click on freeze panes under view tab, then select freeze first column. Now freeze first column or column A is freezed. Let's check. Now I'm going to horizontally scroll from left to right. So as you see that first column is freezed. First column or column A is completely freezed. Now if I scroll vertically, the first row is disappearing because I only select this option freeze first column. So it will only freeze column A. So that's why it frees column A, but it's not freezed row. But I want to now click on unfreeze panes, but I want to freeze first row or first column together. So let's freeze it again. Click click on freeze panes, then select freeze panes. Now both top row or first column is freezed. Now let's check. First of all, I'm going to check first row. So as you see that first row is freezed. I can see the first row. I can still see the first row. Means movie title or release date. Now let's check the column. I can also see the first column. As soon as I scroll horizontally from left to right, I can see the first column or column A. As soon as I scroll vertically, I can also see the first row or top row, means this row, movie title, release date. So we can freeze top row and first column at the same time just using freeze panes. This feature is also very useful in large data. Now currently I have a large data, so I can usually use this feature. So hope you learn this feature. Thanks for watching.